you want a way to make an easy, natural, do-it-yourself lip gloss just using 3 ingredients? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today we're going to be doing a DIY lip gloss using Vaseline as its base. We don't use any Versagel in this method. We need a heat-proof mixing container because the mix is going to go into the microwave. We're going to need Vaseline or petroleum jelly. We're going to need essential oil, mica powder or lip balm colorant, utensils, a syringe to put them in the lip gloss tubes. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is take 2 tablespoons of your petroleum jelly. And that is really messy. And anytime that you make stuff for the lips, you want to make sure everything is sanitized. I don't have any gloves because of the coronavirus, but everything is sanitized. So next we're going to put in our essential oils. And you can use whatever essential oils that you would like. Fruit flavors are one of the most popular ones. And the more you use, the stronger the flavor is going to be. So I'm going to be using vanilla and cherry. I'm going to be doing 5 drops of vanilla. And I really like cherry, so I'm going to be doing 10 drops of cherry. And for our coloring, I'm going to be using Candy Floss mica powder. It is cosmetic grade, so we can use it in the lip gloss. And the only thing I don't like about mica powder is it is very messy. And again, the more you use, the deeper the color is going to be. I'm one that don't like a whole lot of color, so I am only going to put in, I'm going to do 2. Usually I only do 1, but I am going to be doing 2 little scoopfuls. And then we're going to put this in the microwave and we're going to be heating it up for 10 to 30 second increments until it's fully melted. And here we have it. Isn't that a very pretty shimmery color? And we'll go ahead and use the syringe and suck it up and put it in one of these tubes. I got the tops off. We fill them while they're hot and then we'll go ahead and let it cool and then I'll show you the finished product. And you're going to want to make sure you only fill it up to about there. And I'll see if I can do that without making a mess. And this is supposed to make about 2 tubes. Kind of hard to do one-handed. And then you pop the top piece on. And put the lid on. We'll go ahead and let it cool, and then I'll show you the finished product. Isn't that pretty? That was so easy and fun. While I'm waiting for those ones to cool, I'm going to make another one. My 2 tablespoons of Vaseline. This is so much fun, I'm going to have to buy more Vaseline. I enjoy making these. And these would be fun for, you know, if you have preteen girls and they're having a sleepover or something, they could go ahead and get together and make a bunch of these nice, easy, fun projects for them. And you can use your syringes over again. Just want to make sure that you sanitize everything that you use before you make all of this stuff. Okay. And I use disposable spoons to stir with so I can throw it away when I'm done. And then we're going to go ahead and do banana cream. I think that would make a wonderful lip gloss. And I'm going to do 15 drops of that. And then just because I think this would be crazy for the preteens or even for fun adults, I'm going to use a yellow mica powder. To go with the banana. And I made a mess. And I'm going to do 2 scoops full of this one as well. They're a little bit full scoops, but I think that'll be fun. And I'll definitely have to clean up. And we'll go ahead and put it in the microwave. It took about 3 minutes at 30-second increments. Okay, so here's the banana cream. Isn't that a very pretty color? I can see a lot of young girls wearing this. How exciting is this? I am enjoying making these. I could do this all day. Okay, so I've got a new syringe because the other one I haven't sanitized again yet. And I got my little tubes here. We'll go ahead and just suck that up. And the last one made 3 tubes, so I'm hoping this one will too. Almost had put enough in there to do that. I'm testing my dexterity here. Okay, put the little lid on. And then that's your little squeeze lid that you put against your lips. And we'll go ahead and let that one cool. And put the lid on and the cap on. And let's see if we can make a third one. Let's see if I can suck up just a little bit more. Okay, so we got 3 of this one as well. We'll go ahead and let those ones cool. Okay, so they are all cooled now, so let's see how they turned out. The first one that we done was the cherry vanilla. Okay, so I am squeezing it out. Just put it on there. And it is nice and shiny and not very much color. It has a little bit of a scent, but it's not a very strong cherry vanilla scent at all. But it's very pretty. I'll wipe that off. And we'll try the banana cream. And there we go. I can see it. It's just a little bit of a yellow tint. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. It's not going to be over the top color like this. It's just a nice yellow tint. I really like this one. So there you have it. And if you want it darker, just add more pigment. I want to thank all of my viewers and subscribers for getting me where my channel is today. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you would like to subscribe, please do so and hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.